What's up, YouTube? LuvMe Hair sent me another wig. Sorry, there's bleach on the box. But it also came with little goodies, as always, an edge brush, some tweezers, a little mirror, and a little edge wrap. And it came with the cap too, I almost forgot. But here's the wig right here. It felt super soft. I bleached the knots and plucked it. I over bleached the knots, and we're about to fix that. I'm about to show y'all how to fix that right now. Free game right now. You definitely have to watch when you're bleaching knots because hair is different, okay? Some is Virgin Indian, some is Rock and Cambodian. They all bleach different. Some is a blend. Sometimes it's not all natural hair. So yeah, you need to watch it and see if it's some good hair, it's gonna bleach fast. If it's some hair, it's gonna bleach it's gonna take a long time basically. So keep an eye out for it. And yeah, so basically what I'm doing is just making my part. Y'all know I do the bust down middle part all the time. And then I'm putting some edge wax on it so it stays in that middle part forever. I'm also taking some freeze spray from Got2b and just securing it a little bit with that. Just a little bit. If y'all have other hairspray, you can use that too. And of course, you're going to bust out that hot comb, the lovable hot comb. If you don't have one, get you one, okay? It's going to save your life. Okay, after you're done hot combing and dang, cars be loud, Jesus. Anyway, after you're done hot combing in the style that you want, you're gonna go ahead and take your hairspray, freeze spray, Got2b spray, whatever you got, and spray it on your edge brush and comb it into the style you kind of want so it stays like kind of stiff in place. Wow, look at these over bleached knots. Like, it's a problem. It's definitely a problem. But I sell these hairpins and they come in very, very useful to cover up those over bleached knots. Go ahead and just carefully apply that. You can also do this with spray, hair color spray, root touch up that you comb on, or you could use like Adore semi-permanent hair dye and do this with the tint brush. So there's many ways to do this, but this is what I chose to do. And now I'm basically about to do a whole application in 20 minutes. Like, watch me. This is literally gonna go so fast. So put your cap on, get your lace tint. You could spray your cap just so it blends in, or you could put your makeup on the cap, whichever you prefer. Now you're gonna take your tint spray and spray the lace on your wig. And when I mean glueless, I do mean glueless. No gel, no glue, no hairspray, no nothing. You're gonna put this wig on and take it off multiple times. No residue, no nothing. And it's literally about to be a throw-on wig. So now you're just gonna clip your hair back and cut the lace. Make sure you're cutting it at a zigzag kind of motion. Make sure you're not doing those straight lines because that's how you see lace more. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it too much, but yeah, you just don't want to cut in a straight line. Make sure you're doing it at a zigzag kind of motion. Go ahead and spray your little edge brush again and comb back those hairs one more time so it's looking clean. And we're gonna put the edge wrap back on with the Velcro. If you don't have that edge wrap with the Velcro, you could buy it from me. allinonecollections.com is down below. I'm gonna put it on the video too so y'all know where to shop. Now it's time for the styling part. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some layers in the front just to face frame. And then I'm gonna wet it, comb it out, and let it dry. And I'm gonna be rocking this for the next week or two. So if you see me, you see me, okay? You know what it is. It's LuvMe Hair. Okay, so in my shop, I'll be watching Jerry Springer, and some stuff just happened on TV, and look at my face. Look at my face. And then something on top of that happened. Right. Look at my face right there. Yep. I remember. That was some crazy stuff. You need to pray for people. People crazy out here. Okay, pause. I switched up products, y'all. I switched up. I am using Miel now. It smells so good. Like, it smells like Starburst or something. Like, oh my God. So I'm using their curl mousse or something like that. I forgot. I just showed it. I don't even know what it's called, but I just showed it. And I'll show it again too. But this stuff has a light hold and not like that stiff wet look. When it dries, they look fluffy and just voluminous. Like, it's beautiful. Y'all gonna see at the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer and define my part a little bit more. I did not pluck too much on this wig because I wanted to look natural, and I want this to be my go-to wig when I need to slap something on and go. I am spraying one more time to define my little humps in the front because I like the way it looks. Like, I don't know, I'm weird. So it feels so good, y'all, so good. And it looks very, very nice. So this is the look that you would have if you put some mousse that like gives you that wet look. So it will look just like this. And y'all about to see. Look at me. I'm really feeling it. I'm really feeling it. But y'all about to see how it looks dry in a couple minutes or a couple seconds. Okay, what's up, YouTube? So I have been wearing this wig non-stop now, okay? Like, what can I say? It's so lightweight, and I like the curls a lot. Like, they look juicy. I've been using Miel. I know, right? I switch up my products. Like, that's crazy. You know I stick with my Design Essentials, that coconut gelée thing, but nah, I had to switch to Miel because I smelled it. I was like, ooh, this smells pretty good. And it's literally, it left this curly hair just like soft curls, like with a little bit of hold, which I like the ends, perfect. It's very lightweight, it feels great, looks great, okay? I've been throwing this on using, y'all already see me do my glueless applications and everything that I be doing. Like, I could literally lift this up if I wanted to, but yeah. The hair feels amazing. So there's only one thing that I didn't like too much about this wig, but it does shed. But all hair sheds. It sheds just a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it feels good. Leave it in the state that it is, okay? I'm reviewing for the state that the hair is in. It's curly hair, so I'm leaving a curly hair review. I'm not saying, oh, go and straighten it and it'll be perfect. None of that. I'm not saying that. I'm doing a review for the state that it is in right now. Do the job if you're looking for a wig to just throw on during the summer. If you're going on vacation, curly hair closures are the way to go. Okay? Definitely. This is HD lace. Okay, perfect inches. I think it's like 20 inches. And it's definitely giving me a natural look kind of look. Like, somebody asked me if I was Hawaiian, mixed with Hawaiian. I say, don't let the wig fool you, baby. Don't let it fool you. Y'all have a blessed day. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Support your girl. I'm almost at 6,000 subscribers. One time for the one time. Show them your hand. Show them the other hand. Crazy. This dude works on cars and was doing some stuff and burnt his hand. I'm like, Jesus. And y'all know how men are, not trying to go to the hospital and stuff. That's crazy. I'm so in love. Look at him.
Look at you.
Look at him. Okay, bye.